Little storyteller.
Once upon a time, in a park filled with tall green trees and happy flowers, lived a group of very busy squirrels. There was Pip, who had extra fluffy cheeks, Squeaky, the smallest and fastest, and Nutsy, who was very clever. They loved finding acorns to munch on and bury for later. One sunny morning, a strange buzzing sound filled the air. It was a little flying machine with spinning blades, carrying shiny, perfect acorns. This was the Acorn Prime drone, and it was dropping acorns all over the park. The acorns were so big and round, much better than the ones the squirrels usually found. The squirrels were amazed. They scurried to collect the new acorns. Pip's fluffy cheeks were stuffed full. Squeaky zoomed around, grabbing every acorn he could, and even Nutsy was impressed by their perfect shape. But soon the acorns stopped falling. The drone had flown away. The squirrels waited and waited, but the drone did not return. They started to miss the fun of searching for their own special acorns under the leaves. Nutsy, being clever, had an idea. "Maybe," he said, pointing a tiny paw at the sky, "if we show the drone where we like to play, it will drop acorns there." So, the next time they heard the buzzing sound, all the squirrels gathered in their favorite sunny spot near the big oak tree. They waved their bushy tails and chittered happily. The drone seemed to notice them. It hovered for a moment, then gently dropped a shower of shiny acorns right where they were playing. From that day on, the squirrels still loved to find their own crunchy acorns, but sometimes, when the Acorn Prime drone came by, they would gather together and share the wonderful big acorns it delivered. They learned that new things can be fun, and sharing with friends makes everything even better.
Please subscribe. Thank you.